Self-check-in is a new feature for WaterJAM 2023, which allows you to skip the scanning lines after a technical session and use your own phone to claim attendance credit. To use this feature, you need to have the FeedLoop app installed on your phone, and you must be logged in using your personal login. Let's see what this looks like. Once inside the FeedLoop app, you can use the menu in the upper left-hand corner to verify that you're logged in, and then return to the main screen to find the Sessions button and look at what presentations are available to you. These are organized by date, by time, and also by track. Track is a unique number and title assigned to a group of presentations that have something in common. If you would like to look just by track, there is a filters feature. When you turn on the filters feature, you will only see the presentations belonging to that track. It is important, though, to make sure that you are on the correct date in order to see that list of presentations. If you turn on more than one track, you may not see the presentations. Simply turn off the track filter by using the X next to the name of the track, or return to the filters button. We have some sample presentations here for training, AppScan Train 2 and AppScan Train 1. If we were looking for these presentations, we could also use the search bar. If you type in what you're looking for by keyword in the search bar, just be careful and notice that it will pull up a lot of choices that have that word or keyword in them. You'll want to verify that you have the correct presentation by looking at the date and time and also by the track assigned to it. Once you find, though, the presentation that you're attending, simply click on the name of that and notice that there's a blue check-in button. The blue check-in button means that you have not checked into this session yet. We check into sessions near the end of the session to show that we have attended that session. The moderators will post a poster in the room with a unique QR code for each session near the end of that session as the speaker begins their Q&A. That is your cue to come and try check-in. Click the check-in button, scan QR code, and then using your camera, locate the QR code in the room. You may have to zoom in and out a little bit with your arms in order to capture that. Notice that the check-in button has become a check-out button. We do not check out of sessions. We only check into sessions. The red check-out button means that you've used the scanner correctly and that you are checked into the session and you will receive credit for attending that session. We hope that you will get some use out of this new feature and that it will make your conference experience more pleasant. If this is not a feature that you want to use, or if you are not certain you are using it correctly, please feel free to use the moderators in the room who are scanning badges until you feel confident using this feature. Thank you very much.